Hello, everyone. Welcome to Math Rover. In Year 4, Lesson 1, Chapter 3, we will introduce simplifying fractions. What does this mean? Please follow me. There are 5 rectangles. They are exactly the same. Now, let's look at the first rectangle. An orange line divides the rectangle into 2 equal parts, the left part and the right part. So we can say the left part is 1/2 of the whole rectangle. Now, let's look at the second rectangle. The orange line divides the whole rectangle into 2 equal parts, the left part and the right part. One blue line divides the left part into 2 equal parts. Another blue line divides the right part into another 2 equal parts. Now, the whole rectangle has been divided into 4 equal parts. Meanwhile, as you can see, 2/4 actually equals to 1/2. Nice. Now, the third rectangle. Again, the orange line divides the whole rectangle into 2 equal parts. Then, 2 blue lines divide the left part into 3 equal parts. Another 2 blue lines divide the right part into another 3 equal parts. Now, the whole rectangle has been divided into 6 equal parts. Meanwhile, 3/6 equals to 1/2. The fourth rectangle. Again, an orange line divides the whole rectangle into 2 equal parts. 3 blue lines divide the left part into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Another 3 blue lines divide the right part into another 4 equal parts. Now, the whole rectangle has been divided into 8 equal parts. At the same time, 4/8 equals to 1/2. The fifth rectangle. As always, the orange line divides the whole rectangle into 2 equal parts, and 4 blue lines divide the left part into 5 equal parts, and then another 4 blue lines divides the right part into another 5 equal parts. So the whole rectangle has been divided into 10 equal parts. Meanwhile, 5/10 equals to, 1/2. Good. Now we can say 1/2 equals to 2/4 equals to 3/6 equals to 4/8 equals to 5/10. Great. Actually, for 2/4, let's have a try. 2 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. The numerator and the denominator are divided by the same number. And then equals to 2 divided by 2 equals to 1. 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. So 2/4 equals to 1/2. 3/6. The same. For the numerator, 3 divided by 3. For the denominator, 6 divided by 3. The numerator and the denominator are divided by the same number. Then equals to 1/2. Next one, 4/8. We will do the same thing. For the numerator, 4 divided by 4. The denominator, 8 divided by 4. So the numerator and the denominator are divided by the same number and still equals to 1/2. Let's check out 5/10. Again, the numerator, 5 divided by 5. So the denominator should be divided by the same number. So 10 divided by 5 equals to still 1/2. Great. So for a fraction, when the numerator and the denominator are divided by the same number, we can get a simple fraction. Now let's practice. First one, 6/12. Let's have a try. 6 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6. Numerator and denominator are divided by the same number. Equals to 6 divided by 6 equals to 1. 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. So 6/12 equals to 1/2. Next one, 8/16. Again, let's try 8 divided by 8. 16 divided by 8. Again, numerator and denominator are divided by the same number. Equals to 8 divided by 8 equals to 1. 16 divided by 8 equals to 2. So 8/16 equals to 1/2. Great. That's all for Chapter 3. Simplifying Fractions, Part 1. Please remember, when we simplify a fraction, numerator and denominator must be divided by the same number. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in Chapter 4. We will continue to talk about simplifying fractions. See you.